Well, just as I told you, we got winds blowing about 26 miles, gusting to about 30 out the northwest, which is at my back. And this is when I like to come here. Front went through in the middle of the night, and so as I see it, this is a good spot for that. We're gonna see if we can trigger a couple of strikes. Little history on Office Bayou that I didn't give you the last time. Two things. First of all, I can tell you how it allegedly got its name, and I say allegedly simply because I wasn't here during that time. But back in the early days of Galveston, when they had the trolley, they used to run up what we now call 61st Street, and so whenever the riders were asked where they wanted to get off, they would ask to get off at the bayou, which was up where the boat ramp is on 61st Street at Office. And the name of this waterway later became Offats the Bayou. Offats Bayou. So that's the later story on the Offats Bayou. And the initial was when Galveston was under development. Although there was a small waterway here, there was a lot of land, and so they used the land to build a lot of the downtown Galveston, adding landfill, because the water table is higher. So in fact, when you dig here in Galveston, you don't have to dig that far before you start hitting water, getting mud and slush and water, unlike in Houston, which is about 60 miles away. And that's why Houston has a lot of tall buildings downtown, what we call skyscrapers in our world today. But from an aquatic standpoint, it's days like this that in the winter days that help to protect our resources as well, because of the deep water. Fish can come up in here and get down in the deeper insulated water and survive. Office Bayou actually has everything that the entire Galveston Bay complex has. It has shallow flats. It has shale. It has mud. It has sand. It has grass. It has slopes, drop-offs. It has everything that the Galveston Bay, entire Galveston Bay has. So fish, actually, there are some fish that live in here, that stay here in the bayou year round. They never leave. It has a nursery. Marsh land over near the airport. I always start here and then work my way down toward my right. Can't go very far to my left, which is why I start here. In fact, you really can't go 10 feet to the left before you hit some deep water. I'm talking about 8-10 feet deep. This is actually a high tide.